If you want to make the most amazing cheesy garlic pizza wrap of your life, but you don't know how, don't worry. Let me show you how this is easy to make. Like, subscribe, and let's dive into it. The oven's all fired up, hitting a blazing 800 degrees Fahrenheit, and we'll set the butter close by to melt, and I'm ready to make that garlic paste. First, let's grab some cloves and clean them up. Into the pestle and mortar they go, and it's time to do some grinding. To make the garlic easier to smash, I'll add salt and keep grinding. And voila, check out the result. Next up, we're going to finely chop some parsley leaves. Okay, let's take the melted butter and add all the mashed garlic, paprika, olive oil, and parsley. Using a wooden spoon, I'm going to mix it all up until I get this nice smooth paste. Alright, let's get the baking sheet ready. I've got some parchment paper here, and I'll place the first tortilla right in the middle. First, I'll spread that garlic paste evenly on the tortilla. Next up, we'll need mozzarella cheese. Grab the grater and place it on a chopping board. Then, take the cheese and grate it across until you've shredded the whole thing. Now we'll do the same for the cheddar cheese. Add a generous amount of both cheeses on top of the tortilla. Then I'm going to place a second tortilla on top. I'm literally just going to repeat these steps that we did for the first tortilla. So make sure to have a lot of cheese because I want it super cheesy. Okay, let's move on to the third tortilla. We'll center it, then repeat the process one last time. Garlic paste, cheese, and for that finishing touch, we'll slice some fresh tomatoes. These slices go right on top of the garlic bread to give it that extra pop of color and visual appeal. Alright, now this beauty is ready to hit the wood-fired oven. I'll spread out the coals, ensuring even heat distribution and making sure it's nice and hot. Let's slide in this cheesy garlic bread and bake it for about 5 minutes. The baking paper instantly catches fire inside the oven. Don't worry, this is normal due to the high heat. Check out this beauty. The cheese is perfectly melted inside the oven. Okay, let's take it out of the oven. Here's what my cheesy garlic bread made from Tortilla Wraps looks like. So cheesy, and I can smell the garlic. Absolutely delicious, and let me tell you, I'm so happy with the result. If you're a fan of garlic bread, you totally have to try it this way in your electric oven. I truly believe this is the best garlic bread I've ever made in my life. Let's slice it up. I can't wait to try some. Check it out in all its cheesy goodness. It's seriously hard to resist eating it all in one go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share what you think in the comments below.